Hey guys, are you trying to get rid of system apps that are undeletable on your Android? Yes, I'm talking about bloatware that your phone has had since you purchased it because your phone manufacturer or carrier is trying to force you to keep it installed. So there's two ways to do this, with or without a computer. So in this video, we'll focus on the approach without a computer. For this, you'll need Android 11 or higher, and you'll have to install two apps from the Play Store. First, go ahead and grab Shizuku and get it installed. By the way, if you have a newer version of Android than what Shizuku supports, don't worry. You can just search for it on Google, follow signs for their website, and then go to releases. And there, you'll want to download it and install the app using an APK. The second app you want to look for is Canta. So get that one installed from the Play Store. Next, you need to enable developer options. Easy. That can be done by going to About Phone from Settings. Just tap your build number 7 times. Then head to System, Developer Options, and turn on Wireless Debugging. And then after that, open Shizuku, tap Pairing, and make sure you give the app permissions to send notifications. From Shizuku, once you tap Developer Options, jump into Wireless Debugging and tap Pair Device with Pairing Code. You'll want to remember or copy that code, since you'll enter it into the Shizuku notification so you can get it paired up. Finally, let's hit Start from Shizuku so it can run commands. This allows it to start its service. And now we need to open Canta because both of these apps work together. And the way this works is pretty simple. Find the app that you want to remove, tap the checkbox next to the app, and then hit the trash can icon. The first time you do this, you'll have to give the app permissions for Canta and Shizuku to work together. But after that, you can kill off all traces of those system apps that you couldn't remove before. The cool thing with Canta is that it categorizes apps by safety level. So if you want to be safe, stick with the recommended tab. Select the junk you want gone, hit the trash can icon, and they're gone instantly. Once you delete apps, they'll show up in the trash can tab, and you can easily restore those apps at any time, just in case you wiped something that you shouldn't have. And in the next video, I'll show you how to use the Universal Android Debloater, which is another pro option that uses a computer to debloat those system apps. Thanks for watching. And for more on debloating your Android, please consider subscribing to this channel.